Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix a shadow ban on Instagram. So first of all, what we are going to do is head over to our Instagram profile. And then once we are on our Instagram profile, we need to head over to the three lines in the top right hand corner. Once we are on here, we need to click on the settings tab. And then now we need to scroll down until we see the help option. So click on help. And then what we need to do now is we need to select account status. So once we select account status, if you have violated any of Instagram rules, they will be listed right here. But if you haven't violated any of Instagram rules, what you can do is you can come back all the way to your profile. And then what you need to do now is you need to just go through your content and make sure that you are not posting anything that is, using profanity, using swear words, using nudity, stuff like that. And you want to start removing the content that might be affecting your Instagram account. Alternatively, if you don't want to do this, what you can do is you can come all the way back, go over to Play Store, search for Instagram, and then what we can do then is we can uninstall and then reinstall the Instagram app. So if you try these three things, your Instagram ban should then be over, and then if you do try these three things and they do work, please let me know in the comment section down below. And if this video did help you out guys, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.